Hi, my name's David, and today we're going to be checking out another Collaborate.org portal feature, the Feed Reader. This feature makes use of RSS feeds, which is a type of web feed that provides updates on many blogs, news sites, and other websites that frequently publish information. Your feed reader will act as a unique real-time hub for the latest news on your favorite websites. But first, we'll have to build it out a bit. To begin, you'll have to find a feed you want to integrate into your portal. You can find RSS feeds on most major websites by looking for the telltale orange logo. On this webpage, there appear to be quite a few of them, but let's check out the one in the header. There are a number of categories to choose from, but I think I'll just stick with the main feed. Clicking on one of these links will bring you to the feed page. This will give you a general idea of what's going to show up in your feed reader. For now, all we need to do is copy the URL in the address bar. We'll be using it in just a second. Navigating back to our portal's feed reader, we're going to click on Add Reader Feed. We can now add this feed to our feed reader. Let's begin by setting up a title. You can switch between three types of feeds, but we'll be using news for this one. Next, we need to provide the URL from the feed page we just visited. Clicking Save will then add your feed to your feed reader. It might take a few seconds for the feed to initialize. And there you have it. New additions to the feed you just subscribed to will be added automatically to your feed reader. The feed reader is compatible with just about any RSS feed available on the web, even some that may be a bit hidden. For example, blogs on the popular social networking site Twitter can also be added as an RSS feed. Let's say we want to add NASA's Twitter page to our own feed reader. This time, we're only interested in finding out the user account name, which you can find in the address bar. In this case, it appears to be NASA. Depending on how long the name is, you may want to copy it. For now, we'll just keep this one in mind. Back at the portal, you'll find that adding a Twitter page uses the same process as any other feed. The only difference is the format of the URL. This time, we have to use a particular template, which you can see now. For this template, we need only change the word username to the Twitter page's actual username, in this case, NASA. You can find this template in this video's description box. You will find that all of the outgoing tweets on NASA's Twitter page will be available in the feed reader. Individual Twitter pages aren't the only features from Twitter you can add to your feed reader. Let's say you want to keep track of every tweet associated with a certain term. We can do this with yet another URL template. This time, we need to switch the type of feed to Twitter. Since we're already working with the NASA Twitter, how about we do a search on every tweet that includes the word NASA? This time, we use the template you see now. The only change you need to make is replacing the word term with the actual search term you're searching for. As with the last template, you can find this one in this video's description box. To make your feed a little more specific, you can also do a search on hashtags instead of terms. You need only to change the type of feed to Twitter, as well as use a different URL template. This time, we'll be replacing the word tag with the actual hashtag we'll be using for our search. And that about wraps it up. Thank you for joining me, and as always, happy collaborating.